Good evening. With millions of Americans affected by mental illness, police have been urged to change the way they handle a mental health crisis.
The Erie Police Department is responding to that call by reinstating their crisis car unit to deal with these sensitive situations. And so far, they've been busy. Chelsea Swift has an update.
As mental health crises become more prevalent, the City of Erie Police Department has reinstated an approach to assist those who are struggling. The National Alliance on Mental Illness reporting more than 1,800,000 adults in Pennsylvania have a mental health condition. City of Erie Police Chief Dan Spizzarni says 10 officers from the police crisis unit went through specific training to be able to respond to both mental health and domestic dispute calls.
They're able to utilize that and really get to the heart of the problem sooner, to bring in services or connect an individual with services faster.
On the mental health side of things, these people aren't criminals. They're not committing crimes. They're people who need help.
Sergeant Mark Bellotti says on average since May, the crisis unit has responded to 35 to 45 calls each week. He says in some instances, responding to these calls can take several hours.
I've been to several calls with my officers, and they do an incredible job. I mean, they're very compassionate. They take the time, they hear these people out. We have the time to talk to them, get them de-escalated. And a lot of times, we're seeing where by the time we're done with them, they're willing to go to the hospital and get the help that they need.
Mental health professionals agree. They say it's important to take the time and listen and do what's best for the individual.
It can be hard in the moment, especially if it's an acute crisis, if the police or law enforcement has to be called. It's not the easiest thing to kind of think rationally to get to be seen. So we rely on family members and friends and people in the community. I think it's just kind of a testament that they're getting that unit made that shows that they're taking things more seriously.
Chelsea Swift, Jet 24 Action News.